The Supreme Court of India has declared that the right to menstrual health and access to menstrual hygiene management measures in educational institutes is part of the fundamental right to life and dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution. The Apex Court also passed the ruling on a plea to ensure that free sanitary pads are provided to every female child studying between classes 6 and 12 in schools and to ensure separate toilets for girl students in all government-aided and residential schools. A bench of Justices J.B. Pariwala and R. Mahadevan observed that treating menstrual health as a women's issue only perpetuates the stigma attached to it. In the landmark ruling, Supreme Court observed that menstrual health should be treated as a shared responsibility between women and men. The bench also directed government to increase awareness about menstrual health, including thorough changes in the school curriculum. The court observed that the spirit of Article 21A of the Constitution and the Right to Education Act cannot be achieved in its fullest sense merely by providing gender-segregated toilets or sanitary napkins. A school may have adequate facilities for menstrual hygiene, but an unsupportive, rather hostile and stigmatized environment would render them of no use. The environment at school is not a monolith of females. It consists of young boys, male teachers, and male staff. Therefore, what is crucial is to eradicate the stigma associated with menstruation, especially from schools. The court emphasized that boys too must be taught and sensitized about menstruation.